How to set a battery charging limit on your Samsung device. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily set a battery charging limit on your Samsung phone. This feature helps you to prevent your battery and helps you on the long run because it will keep your battery life healthy so that it won't run out quickly in the future. Let's see how you can turn this feature on. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your phone settings, and once your phone settings is open, just scroll down and find your battery section right here. And once your battery section is open, all you have to do is find this option right here that says battery protection. Now what this will do is it will adjust your charging behavior to extend the lifespan of your battery. You can tap on it and turn it on. You can choose the adaptive mode as well. So on the basic mode, what this will do is when your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop the battery level and it drops down to 95%, then it will start charging again. So once you are plugged in and it reaches 100%, and once it reaches 100%, it will no longer charge, and once it drops down to 95, it will start charging again. There is this adaptive mode which allows you to use maximum while you're asleep and switch to basic before you wake up. And the maximum battery protection is it will stop charging when your charge reaches 80%. And that's how you basically set a charging limit on your Samsung device. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video.